How to block Reddit user. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you want to block Reddit user, you simply have to follow these steps. Open up Reddit app onto your device, log in. Then you could go ahead and select the U from the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, what you want to do is actually just go to the home page and look for the person or the user that you like to block. Let me just go ahead and block this particular account. Now, you need to tap the three dot at the very top, or what you could do is just go ahead and select the profile once again. And once you select the three dot, you could see the block button. You could go ahead and confirm it by tapping onto the block button. This way you'll be able to block Reddit user. If you're unable to find them in the very home page, you could use the search bar tool as well. Search for the username, and this is where you will be able to find them, and just tap the three dot and you could find blocked account. That's how simple it is. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.